In this video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can log on your People's Bank's online banking account. And it's pretty simple, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel, how to guide and hit that subscribe to our channel, let's move on. First step, you want to search for People's Bank login. After you search for People's Bank login, the first option, online banking, click on it and make sure it takes you to peoplesbank.ik. Once you do that, it'll bring you to its official page. Over here, just click on online banking and it's going to take you to the online banking sector. Over here, it's going to give you three options. Now, whichever account you have, you choose that. I have an internet banking account, so I will choose this, but you choose the one which you have and wait for 1 second. And after you do that, this page will open up. Over here, first enter your username of your account, then enter the verification code. The verification code is whatever is displayed over here. So mine is 5957, but yours is going to be different. Just see what's written over here and type it. Click on next. On the next step, it's going to ask for the password of your account. Like this over here, enter the password, click on login, and you should be able to log in into your People's Bank online banking account. It's that simple. So hit that subscribe to our channel, How to Guide, and bye bye.